Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. My name is Lynn, and today I'm going to be making 12 mini slimlines and matching envelopes. So let's start with the envelopes. I've got this paper cut down to 9 1/4 by 7 1/2. Along the 9 1/4 side, I'm going to score at 1 3/4, turn the paper around and score at 1. Along the 7 1/2 edge, I'm going to score at 2 1/4, turn the paper around and score at 1 3/4. Now I'm going to miter off the corners so that we can just remove some of the extra bulk here when we fold this envelope down. The final envelope size is going to be 3 1/2 by 6 1/2 because the mini slimline cards I'm making will be 3 1/4 by 6 1/4. So now that I've mitered off and trimmed off those corner pieces, I'm going to fold all of my score lines down. And one thing to note is with the side flaps, there's one side that's wider than the other, and you want to fold these down so that the narrower flap is on front. Or at least that's how I prefer it, because that way the seam where the overlap is, it's actually centered on the envelope. And then I just put some double-sided adhesive to seal everything off, plus I put a strip of double-sided adhesive on the flap, the open flap itself. That way, when the person who I'll give this to goes to use these envelopes, it's just going to be a peel and stick situation for them. They'll just need to peel off that little bit of adhesive liner and then stick it down. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate the mini slimline cards, and I've done some prep work already to kind of cut and prepare my pieces, and I am using the Photo Play A Year with My Nomies kit that came in the Paper Sweeties First Quarter Sweet Kit. This kit has amazing craftability. I ultimately was able to create 5 calendar projects plus this set of 12 mini slimline cards, and I will and I still have some left over too for more projects, which I will continue to use up as well. And what I'll do though is I'm just going to put the rest of this video on super speed and set it to some music, because all of the cards that I made, I will be using the cut aparts and some of the sticker elements that came in the paper pad. So they are going to be fairly simple, easy, fast cards to put together, which is one thing that I really love about this paper pad, because there's something for everybody. If you're a scrapbooker, this is perfect. If you are a mini album maker, this would work great. And if you're a card maker, you're gonna find some really nice elements to make quick and easy cards for the entire year. So I'll stop chatting now, and I'll go ahead and put on some music so you can sit back and enjoy and watch these the rest of these 12 cards come to life.